Programming doesn't end with numbers, of course, even though everything is eventually represented with 0 and 1 in the computer's memory. We would also like to see text and inscriptions on screen, which will facilitate communication with the computer. Char type is used for that reason, representing characters, letters, special characters, as well as numbers, but with a character and not a numerical meaning. In Java, it is a Unicode set of characters encoded with UTF-16, but there is a possibility to change the coding in case of example reading and saving to files. This type of character representation allows us to present any given character from any language of the world. Singular characters are always inscribed in between quotation marks. So for example, A, B, and C. Also, remember that you can't write several characters, a whole word, in one quotation mark, as it will generate a compilation error. Type char is only a singular character.